Welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. We have another cosmetic mod for the 2013 Dodge Charger today. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's see what we got here. So let's see what we got here. In this box we have contains the clear covers for our back lights, for our side lights. So we're going to install we're going to take out the old ones, which are the red ones, and we're going to make them clear. The reason we're going to go with clear is because everything on this car is black, red, and even the side markers on here are clear. So we're going to go with a clear theme all the way around with our lights. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, on the new one it has these two divots right here that stop it from going all the way in, and the old one doesn't have that. So we're going to pull those out, and so we can make it smooth so we can install the piece. Okay, so as you can see, we was able to take off the little divots, and now the piece should be able to install like it should. Now that we got those little two pieces off, it should be able to pop right in, and it snaps right on in. There we go. Now let's do the other side. Take this off. Pop these off real quick. Now we have to install the piece. And that's it. Well, that's it for today. Everything came out really nice. Everything turned out great. The lights match from the front to the back. It was really bothering me. So now I got those matched up, and I'm very happy with the results. So if you are new to the channel and this is the type of content that you like, please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can get all the latest content that we do on this channel. And thank you all for coming. Stay blessed and faithful, and as always, stay cruising with Christ.